You were out here running hard tonight. It seemed like maybe some bigger holes than you've had in some other games. Just how do you think you kind of were able to play out here tonight?
I think I ran pretty hard. I think I got to get a little better. We played great in offense and all phases of football, but I think I could have run more.
Seems like you were able to, kind of, I don't know about truck over, but you able to kind of use your body to get over some guys, and it seems that's kind of your style. You're that bigger, kind of bruising running back. Is that kind of you got going and been able to kind of push yourself over some guys?
That's kind of my thing. I'll try to train hard in the off season to get bigger and stronger and physically ready for the games like this. And I think it's paying off pretty well.
This is a rivalry game for you guys. Really just kind of coming in and dominating for the most part. Just again, how much momentum can you guys kind of get from wins like this?
We can get great momentum coming up from a big win. We're gonna enjoy it right now. But after the one day rule, after tonight, tomorrow, we gotta